am Lisbeth Megafig, intrepid explorer, seeker of the unknown, hunter of undiscovered creatures.
And she's a real charmer.
Eggabell, stop.
What? The people deserve to know.
You're the only one who gets to know.
Wow, that's your new lead? Another monster hunt? Do you have any idea how much trouble you've caused me? I had to recall 500,000 papers and give a public apology. All because your Grumpfoot turned out to be a lost football mascot. We've been over this. It doesn't matter how eye-catching your articles are if I'm stuck cleaning up your sloppy work. You're already out of second chances. And now you're gonna follow Elizabeth to some grump-forsaken island? Elizabeth Megafig is either a con artist or a lunatic. Remember that whole mess with Grumplantis? This Bugsnax thing is just her latest delusion. This is absurd. Only a desperate loser would follow Lisbeth. Well, it is a tantalizing story if true. We'll just have to hear it from Lisbeth herself. Say you get an interview with her and make it back alive. You just might keep your job. Now get going and try not to fall off a cliff or something.
Stop.
Lisbeth? Is that you? Oh, thank Grump you're alive. Too bad I'm dying, though. Wait, you're not Lisbeth. Oh, Grump. It doesn't matter who you are. Please give me something to eat. Hooray! Ow. I think there's a bug snack right over there. Could you get a good look at it? Find out which one it is for me. Oh, good. That one's pretty easy. Okay, do me a favor. Its tracks come out of this bush. All right, it's hide behind this rock. Oh, nice. I'll pick it up before it escapes. Awesome! Oh, yes. I'm saved. Oh, this? Pretty neat, huh? It's a side effect of eating Bugsnax. Anywho, I'm still recovering. I could use maybe 3 more Bugsnax. I'm sure that scope of yours will come in handy. Scan and plan, I always say. You are a lifesaver, buddy. Oh, sorry, I was too busy dying to introduce myself. I'm Filbo Fiddlepie. I'm the, mayor around here. Sorry if this is a stupid question, but, what are you doing out here? Oh, you got the film! I helped Lisbeth make that. I know who you are. You're the journalist! I knew it was stupid to ask. Lisbeth said you'd be coming. You're a bit late, though. Still, it's my job to show you the way to town. Follow me. Hey, buddy. I have to tell you something. I'm supposed to take you home, but Lisbeth might not be there. I don't know where Lisbeth is. I was out here looking for her. But who knows? Maybe she will be there when we get back. I'm sure she wouldn't want to miss her interview with you. Ready to go, buddy? All right. Through here. Yeah. Hey, Wambus. How's the farm?
You're still alive? Thought you'd have starved to death by now.
Nope. I found a journalist. They're also pretty good at hunting Bugsnax. I was gonna bring them back to Snacksburg.
That's nice.
Don't you wanna come with?
No.
Why not?
I got my paws full with my ketchup crop. Without Lisbeth around to catch Bugsnax, I gotta keep us all fed.
We can't just eat ketchup.
Well, it's better than nothing. You want us to die out here?
No, but this garden is... Maybe you could start...
Aye. Now kindly leave and take a ketchup for the road. Whoa! Darn bunger! Get out of here! Ooh, there's a pen set up nearby. Take my sauce slinger, gather up some ketchup, and use it to lead the bunger over yonder. Bye-bye. Thanks, stranger. We better go check on Filbo.
I'm just happy you're getting along with Wambus. So, just see if you can...
I'm sorry, stranger. I didn't mean for Filbo. I know... Well, let's start with the...
Siska Bug.
Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska!
Right. Yeah. Tasty. Now, I want to eat those darn shish bugs. Those pests are easy to spook, and they don't even like ketchup. Not sure why they bother with me. Figure out how to wrangle them, and I'll be set. Hunger?
Shiska bug! Shiska bug!
Hunger?
Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug!
Hunger?
Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug!
Hunger?
Shiska bug! Shiska bug! Shiska bug!
Yeah! Ah, that's good eating. All right, last bit of business. Let's get revenge on those bungers. They're too wily for your trap, but if you can get them all woozy and vulnerable, you can scoop them right up with this net.
Shiska bug!
Bunger! Bunger!
You're doing good, buddy.
Bunger! All right. Justice is served. That's dealt with for now, but they'll be back eventually. Well, I'm fixing to get my old garden growing again.
Oh, you really mean it? Let's get moving right away.
You know, you're a pretty good hunter, like Philbo said. It's been rough since Lisbert vanished. Been rougher for some than others.
Hey! I sure could use help with this tree.
Well, best not to dwell. You hold on, I got this. Y'all just get along now. I'll catch up.
Hey there,
Like, oh my
Beffica?
god, is this squeeb really talking to me right now?
I'm not a squeeb.
It says right here on my snack scope, Filbo, personality type, squeeb. Skills, none. Friends, none.
It says that because you wrote that in yourself.
It also says, you're a terrible leader.
You...
Like, are you still here? Zonk off, squeeb! Oh!
Bunger!
OMG. You're that journalist. I haven't seen a new face in like forever. I'm Beffica Winklesnoot, and I know everything about everybody. I love your snack scope. You and me are totes twinsies. I bet you've seen lots of great stuff. Let me take a peek at your journal. You lost your journal? No big deal. You can borrow one of mine. I keep them in my cave. Bring it here. I'll show you. What? That's my diary, you squeeb. Keep your paws off of that. Way to play fetch. Okay, now open it up. See, everything you scan with the snack scope winds up in the journal. I have more for you to do, but Wambus is scaring all the snacks away. You'll have to come back later. Until then, you should get Filbo out of here.